Hmm. Naliligo kami dito, panandalian, pang paalis ho ng stress. Yan. Tingnan mo. Ligo muna kami dito. Magpapalamig. Ayan po, naliligo po si Sion. Hi, Sion. Hello. How are you? Wow. Nagsisid si Sion. Sion, oh. Wow. Nag-swim-swim si Sion. Wow, ang galing ni Sion. Wow. Relax muna dito, guys. Mermaid.